Hello everyone, in this video, we'll walk you through app settings. Click on Settings in Sidebar to view all settings. Click on App Settings. In App Settings, you can enable or disable any module. This allows you to see only what you need and remove the rest, giving you a completely customized view of your workspace. You can enable or disable various task fields to customize exactly what information you want in a task. Next, let's look at the workload options. You have the flexibility to measure a task's effort using points, time, or both. You can even set user-specific points and time estimates for each task or subtask, enabling granular planning across all your team members. For points, a series of Fibonacci numbers are loaded as the default options, but you can easily edit and modify them to fit your team's specific needs. By enabling time tracking, you'll be able to set time estimates for each task and subtask. Also, users in this space can log their time entries directly for each task and subtask, allowing for more precise tracking. Next, let's look at sprint settings. By enabling sprints here, you'll be able to create them anywhere in this space, including within any folder or subfolder. You can also set the default sprint duration and the default sprint start day to streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching.